Tell us about Unforgettable Tour.
It was great. It was just such a privilege to be on stage with a legend like Mr. Bachchan, and it happened in a place that's extremely special to me. And,
Well, that's why you were chosen as well, because they know, I'm sorry, but they know what crowds you build. And is he fun on tours?
He is just so cool. I can't tell you. I mean, that's really not the way I should describe him. But
why not?
Every time I meet him, you know, I can't describe the emotion that I feel for him.
And you get on with Abhishek as well?
Of course, we've done 2 films together. Aishwarya and I kind of got to know each other a bit on this tour.
Is she more a Bachchan now or still a Rai? She becomes through and through Bachchan.
We hail from the same community, as you know, so she is also a
Yes,
Bunt.
of course.
So we kept talking in Tulu, which is our mother tongue. But I'm very happy for her. I think she's found her peace and her happiness, and I truly wish her all the very best.
Now, just
Am I
talking
becoming
about,
too boring and too
you're not.
good?
You're just being yourself, Shilpa. I can't help
I
it.
hate this boring image. Please, I'm not this nice and this good. I have my moments when I'm bad and
Okay,
I'm
she's just having a private conversation with
Yeah,
God
with the
knows
camera. I'm
who.
telling the
I
audience,
mean,
I'm
hello,
not this boring.
hello, here, focus on me. You have been riddled with controversy. All good things you do also turn into controversies. This
I think you
follows
should take it
you.
as a compliment. What do you think?
I think so. And does it help you? Like, does this,
Not at
does
all,
this
please.
favor your cause? Or
I'm losing money, freaking fighting for fighting for all those cases. My father is losing his hair, whatever little is left. Poor thing. It's like I said before, Koel. Our lives just seem glamorous. It's really not. And then to make matters worse, we have these cases and stuff that really doesn't need so much importance. God, there are better things to concentrate on, and I think we need to direct and channelize our energies into more positive things. And I hate the way people just use my name just to make headlines. It's just very annoying after a point. Somebody stands up and says that I was the reason Jane Goody came into the program. Somebody stands up there and says that I got him out of the show because I didn't want a Dalit in the show. I mean, it's so derogatory. He's burning my effigies. I mean,
now you definitely don't want him in the show if he's burning your effigies.
I
Come on.
demand an apology. I am very hurt.
Yeah, I'm wearing the same thing that you showed up on,
Yeah.
wearing as the same as Akshay Kumar.
I
You
knew
guys
you
are not
were
in
going to say
contact
this.
with each other for ages, and suddenly you show up on the same TV show wearing the same thing. What's that
It's not
about?
my fault. That's the fault of Dolce and Gabbana.
How did you react to that?
I did because I didn't meet him.
Oh, you didn't see
Thank
him?
God I left before he entered because it's very embarrassing.
But today you guys are friends.
Of course, I mean,
You just offered him your a role in your film as
no,
well.
not yet. Those are all
Yet
reports that have
more
come out.
rumors.
Yeah, no, reports from the press, and too much has been said and talked on my behalf. I don't know where they got the idea, but we're still in the midst of scripting. I've said this time and over again.
And you've chosen to put yourself in the first film as well. Is that going to be
Can
an
I have a
ongoing
choice?
thing?
I'm saving up
or-
on some money. I don't have to sign another hero, so I'd rather do the role myself. For me, this is my first baby. S2 Global Productions is something that...
What's it called? What's it called again?
S2
S2
Global
Productions. And what happens when you become SK?
Ah.
Okay, sorry, I had to push that one.